Something I always dreaded when it came to receiving feedback from clients is having to go through countless of Word documents and Google Drives in order to access screenshots as well as different comments on changes that they would like done to the site, which is why I have implemented the guest client access. So in order to do this, what you do is you type in a label. So I'm going to call this guest. I'm just going to generate token. Now this token is going to give you a URL. This URL can then be used for the client to navigate the entire website. It acts as a cookie. So once say if you clicked on this, it would stay with them until they close the tab or their browser. If you want them to look at a specific page, you can then copy this token right here and you can paste it after the URL of the page that you want them to view. Say for instance, the contact page. I'm just going to copy the link, copy. And you can see here, I've opened it up in a new tab. So I'm just going to paste this in, press enter. And now what we'll do, it will give the client access to the review mode right here. So from here, the client can then scroll throughout the page. Let's say they want this image change. They can then press C on their keyboard. Let's change out this image. They could then attach an image. Or if they would like, they can also screenshot sections. So for instance, I'm just going to print screen. I'm going to screenshot this. Say for instance, I want them to change something specifically on here. I could then go ahead and re-edit my comment, paste it by pressing Ctrl V or Command V. You can see that the image is now pasted. Let's change the numbers in here to something else. They can then attach the comment or they can @ the user. Now, if you have your Slack already set up, you'll then get notifications on your Slack channel whenever a comment is added. And if you were to be pinged, the user will then get an email if it's set up stating that they have been added to a comment. And yeah, so I'm just going to send this. Now you can see here, the client can then relook at their information. If they want, they can also delete the comment. Say, for instance, they've said, let's change this to blue. So change to blue. And they decide, actually, wait, let's rather not do that. They can then just click on here, click here, delete comment. And then they can press C on their keyboard just to turn the comment mode off. I'm just going to scroll to another page so you can see here that it does actually still stay with you. So let's go to the Review Hub page. And you can see that due to the cookie, it has stayed in your in the review mode for the client. So they don't have to then paste the token code back in for every URL they visit. And that's it.